me and swim to me. Ready? Go. Swim to me. Keep going. Eyes in. Keep going. Woo-hoo!
Good job, Miles.
You almost went all the way across. You were too fast. I couldn't get out of the way. Alright, you ready? We're going to do the same thing. You're going to climb out. Climb out.
That's Miles.
Toes on the crack right there.
Mom,
Ready? Wait. Jump out. You're going to swim to me. Ready? Set. Go.
Did you go down and get it?
Oh, ow.
Belly
Go.
flop.
Go. Big arm. Woo!
Good job, bud.
Job. That's a long way
Can you
for
go
you
down
to
and get
swim.
it with your face?
All right, go to the board, the jumping board. Walk, please.
Thanks, Rach. Do you want?
Good job. Go to the jumping board.
You gotta get it. You gotta reach down and get it with your arm.
Toes on the edge.
There you go.
Toes.
You just gotta swim down.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Jump to me. Okay. Now, swim to the ladder. Good job.
Miles, you're doing awesome.
This time I want you to jump with your feet in the water first, okay? Not on your belly. Jump with your feet in. Jumping with your feet first, and then swim to me. Ready? Jump hard. 1, 2, 3. Jump with your feet. There you go. Woo!